Most people get this wrong when applying for an EIN number for their LLC. They assume it costs money or that they need a third-party service to get it done. But here's the truth no one tells you. You can get your EIN completely free directly from the official government system if you follow the right steps. In this video, you will learn how to get an EIN number for your LLC in 2026, using the free method, what mistakes to avoid, and how to make sure your application is approved without delays. Let's get right into it. First, understand what an EIN actually is. EIN stands for Employer Identification Number. Think of it like a social security number, but for your business. So when Alex starts his LLC, the EIN is what allows him to open a business bank account, file taxes, and hire employees legally. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people think EIN is just for hiring employees. But in reality, even single-member LCAs need it for banking and tax separation. But here's the problem most beginners face. They either pay unnecessary companies to file it for them, or they enter incorrect information and get rejected. That slows everything down. Let's go step by step on how to get your EIN for free in 2026. Step 1 is make sure your LLC is already registered. You cannot apply for an EIN without a legal business entity. So John first needs to confirm his LLC is approved in his state. Step 2 is go to the official IRS EIN application system online. This is the only free and official method. Avoid any third-party websites charging fees for something that is free. Now in a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make during the EIN application that causes instant rejection or delays. Step 3 is select your LLC type correctly. Most people choose the wrong classification here, which creates issues later with taxes and banking. Step 4 is enter your responsible party details. This is usually the owner of the LLC. Make sure the name and social security number match exactly with official records. Step 5 is describe your business activity clearly. Keep it simple. For example, Alex writes online retail business instead of complicated descriptions. Step 6 is submit the application. If everything is correct, you usually receive your EIN immediately online, or within a short confirmation time. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Once you get your EIN, you can open a business bank account, apply for business credit, and start building your company's financial identity. It is the foundation of your business structure. So how do you make sure everything goes smoothly? Step 1 is double-check your LLC details before applying. Step 2 is use accurate business descriptions. Step 3 is make sure your responsible party information is correct. Step 4 is apply directly through the official system only. Here is a real example. Alex forms his LLC, applies for an EIN using the free IRS system, and gets approved instantly. With that EIN, he opens a business bank account the same day and starts operating professionally. So is getting an EIN free and easy in 2026. Yes. But only if you avoid shortcuts and follow the official process correctly. To wrap it up, your EIN is not just a number. It is your business identity in the financial system. Once you have it, your LLC becomes fully operational and ready for growth. If this helped you, like the video, comment if you have already started your LLC, and subscribe for more simple business guides that help you build smarter from day one.